Hi guys, happy new year to you guys. I wish you the best in 2025 and I pray 2025 is going to be a promising year for everybody. Okay, now I know a lot of you have made new year resolutions, the kind of business you want to invest in this year. Some even talk about the habits they want to drop and the habits they want to adopt and things like that. Okay, that's good. And in case you taking farming as one of your new year resolution, then it's a good one. Okay, in today's video we are going to be discussing how to make a broiler farming a source of passive income, especially in 2025. I have done it before and all the strategies I applied has succeeded and I'm sharing that with you. Okay, if you are new to this channel, I am Oche from Broiler Farms. I'm a broiler farmer in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and I work here in the Middle East. Okay, I have succeeded in running the business from the Middle East here, and it has been successful to the extent that I am even expanding it right now in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I am building a new cage that can hold close to 2,000 broilers. Okay, so that is my new project going on in Nigeria right now. And guys, I am doing this all from here. I am not there. Okay, although I've run it before personally, and that has given me the experience to be able to run it when I am not there. And this is what I want to share with you today. If you have passion for it and you're a worker, you don't have the time to be there, you are doing some other kind of business, you don't have the time to be on the farm to take care of those chicks and stuff like that. You're just busy, or you just don't want to involve yourself. You just want to run it, let it run passively, and you get the alerts coming in into your bank account. Okay, so if that's what you want, then this is what this video is all about today. So if you want to run a broiler's business as a source of passive income, the first step is to know the business. You don't just invest in a business that you don't have any idea of. Okay, so you invest in a business that you already know. I think it's better you have a good idea. You might not be an expert, but you need to have a very good idea about the business. You need to understand how the business is run. Okay, so you need to know the business first of all before you invest in it. Okay, before I started my farm, I had to study a lot of books, PDF books, and watched a lot of YouTube videos. And the practical experience was quite different from the books, what are in the books, and what I watched on videos. Okay, so you need the practical experience. Okay, it will help you know how to the poultry diseases, the common poultry diseases. It will help you with the kind of feed that they are supposed to eat, and it will help you with the quantity of feed, how to manage the feed, and things like that. Okay, and some signs for in case they are sick, you will be able to diagnose the sicknesses from the posture of the birds, from their droppings, and things like that. So there are experiences you need to get when you are running the broiler farm on your own. Okay, so now on this first step, I'm going to come back to it because I have made this first step very easy for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this first step, so just hang on to the end of the video. Okay, now before I go to the second step, if you've not subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel. This is Broiler Farms, a place where I share with my people the experiences I have on my farm. I have documents I share with you guys. I run a profitable broiler farm in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, while I'm here in the Middle East. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, hit that notification icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video from here. And guys, I love comments a lot. I interact with my people in the comment section. Some guys send me emails, and some even give me a WhatsApp chat, and I respond to all of them. Okay, so let's make the comment section as interactive as possible. Okay, so we'll go to point two. Point two is you generate a system. Okay, you know what I mean by system. Okay, so what is a system? A system is a set of principles, set of procedures by which something is being done. Okay, so you, from your experience, if you've run it before, from your experience and the difficulties you went through, the procedures you later adopted while doing it yourself, you write it down and you form a system from it. Okay, so that means you generate a written down procedures for every activities. You generate a work instruction for every activity. You generate reports, reporting system, records keeping and stuff like that. Okay, so that the worker that will be working for you will follow them strictly. Okay, that is point 2, and I will be also coming back to this point again shortly. Okay, then the third step is selecting your worker carefully. Your workers, people that will work for you, you select them carefully. I've made a video on how to recruit. If you want to recruit someone to work for you, and it's a farm that you are running remotely, I've made a video on how to get good worker. Okay, so you see the video, so you see the link to the video somewhere around the screen right now. You can click on it and watch that video. Okay, so you need to have good staff, good workers. Okay, because those are the backbone of the business. You are not there, they are there running it for you, so they need to be respectful, they need to follow instructions strictly, and they need to be willing to give you feedback at every point. These are very, very important. Okay, so staffing is also very important when it comes to running a broiler farm remotely. Okay, you need to get the right people with the right mind to work for you on the farm. Okay, then the fourth step is monitoring the activities on the farm. Monitor them very, very well. Make sure you get reports from them on a daily basis. Okay, what I did on my farm, I got the workers a camera phone. So most of the pictures of my birds and the videos of my birds you've seen on this channel, they were sent to me from my poultry keeper. Okay, so you need to get them a means of sending you reports, and the internet has made it so easy. Sometimes I make WhatsApp call with them, they snap the reports and send to me daily, and any other activity on the farm, they can video it and send to me, so I monitor them daily. Now, to make this easier for me, I started with a worker, and I monitor him daily. So to make it easier for me, I now have to employ someone that is more educated than the poultry worker I got initially. Okay, so he's better at keeping the records. He's better at reporting to me. So he oversees the other guy that does the manual job while he reports to me, and he's also my sales guy, because sales is very important when it comes to broiler farming. So he's the one that also go out to advertise, get people to come and buy the birds, and also do the inventory, the cash flow and stuff like that. So he does everything, because I try to remove myself from it as much as possible. So if you have the money and then you have the capacity to make the quantity of the bed a little bit big, so that you can adequately pay 2 workers. Okay, so that is what I did, and you can even make it bigger, employ more people. It will make the work easier for you. Okay, so now I'm trying to increase the number of beds, so I have to employ more people, but let's see how that goes. Okay, then the fifth point is to monitor the cash flow. This is very important. You are not into any business to lose, and I made a video of how to sell your broilers without losing. Okay, the link to that video will be somewhere in the screen right now. You can sell your broilers without losing, and I told you guys, before you start, you calculate your profit even before you start to buy the beds. Calculate your profit, know what you are supposed to spend on feed, know what you are supposed to spend on drugs, and during the sales, know who to sell to, when to sell, and how to sell, so that you will not run into loss. Because I've had experiences before when I need to sell my best just to recover my money and stuff like that. So that is not how business should be done. You are doing business for profit. So what you do is to calculate the profit right from the beginning, even before you start. And I will show you how to do this. Okay, all right. Okay, so those are the steps, and they are just summarized. Okay, because if I want to go through all those steps, it will take like 3-4 hours for us to record this video. Okay, now I said I was going to go back to point 1 and point 2. In fact, all the points. Okay, I have made things easy for you guys. Okay, guys that have been following me, I've had people contacted me, I've had people sending me emails, and I've responded to them. I know of a guy that has started his poultry from watching my video, and he's selling his 4th batch of birds right now. Okay, so you can also do that. He contacted me, and most times we talk on phone and I tell him what to do. Okay, so now I am generating a course, a very elaborate course. Okay, so if you don't have that time to go through that practical period where you need to do things with your hands, okay, this course will be very helpful to you. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what you need to know even though you've not done them practically, you understand, so that it will save your time and you can start doing the business immediately. Okay, so I'm going to be preparing the course. Is still under review. I'm still developing it, and very soon it will be out. Okay, so this is just a heads up. I'm giving you guys a heads up. Okay, so I'll be prepared. You're going to get a full course from my own experience, how I got to be successful in this. Okay, I have run it from here in Saudi Arabia. If you've been on this channel, you know that I've been here in the Middle East, and I've been running it. Okay, and it has worked for me. It can work for you too. You don't need to have that experience, because from the course you get to know everything you need to know, and you can control your worker from the experience you get from getting the course. Okay, so the course will be out soon, so you guys watch out for the course, and it's going to make everything easy for you. It's going to save your time. Okay, you don't need to spend a lot of money getting 100 chicks or 50 chicks to start from, getting the feed, and after that you still have to spend a lot of time to get to acquire those knowledge. Okay, so this can be got from the course. I will teach you everything from the course and you will know it. Okay, so it saves your time, it saves your money. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do for you guys. All right, so watch out, it will be out soon. Okay, and when it's out, I'm going to be selecting some few people to start with, and I'm going to be giving it to them free. Okay, I have a lot of emails, people that have downloaded my documents, and the Bible says, cast not precious things unto swine, that they'll trample on them. Okay, so I will only send it to people that actually need this information to start doing what they want to start this year, because a lot of people just gather them for information's sake. They sit, they don't do anything, they just gather all the information. Okay, so I'll be giving it to some people that are ready to start, ready to begin immediately, and I am going to do that by sending questionnaires to you guys. So if you get my questionnaires, then I'm lucky for you, and if you're able to respond well to the questionnaire, I can get you a free copy of the course. Okay, so that is what I will do. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed, then do well to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification icon so you get notified whenever a video comes out from this channel. And also, what do you think about the course? Leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the course. Okay, all right, so thank you guys. This is Oche from Broiler Farms. Peace. I'm out.